Offshore 38 was everybody in this planet is talking about wars, and then we even have more fronts open, which I'm not going to talk about in Asia, that really the interest in the offshore sector is to have stability, safety is first, ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency. Candina Group is trying the last 125 years to develop countries. We tried in Filipinas in 1967 approx, when I was 1 year old, and it was very successful for Filipino government to set our standard terms and conditions of employment. Still, no one has dared change a column since then. It's a pity, because due ESG, transparency, and corporate social responsibility, we could reduce 20% of the gross to its net and improve 20% competitiveness of the goodwill, intrinsic value, Filipino future perpetual income revenue. So then why not think about in the offshore industry to supply help to new countries? Candina is expanding big way throughout our databases in the planet. We have many strategical agreements with many data suppliers, and the latest one is Cuban crew that have excellent training. We have to confirm they have the best doctors in the planet, and they have the best merchant officers. Not so many, because population is small, but we hope with this video and this push that the nations in the planet that are surrounded by sea, like Cuba, like the offshore industry, very similar ties, we can really work together, Venezuela, Panama, Latin America, Spain, Asia, throughout the planet, very transparent, with the help of Adonis and the AI systems that Candina have to help your company isolate the talent, because it's very important to generate a family, like always it was, always will be. Perhaps not with 40 crew on board, but perhaps just 10, very specialized, but really we need to think strategically to tie these links together and think of Candina like we are going to develop new systems, dear ship owner, to protect your offshore business and expand it wherever you are, because we are there, we have the database, we are digital, and we are AI. Thank you, bye.